Hello, I would like to do a short video just real quick, just showing you how I would like you to name your Weeblies. So we have my Weebly already going. Um, yeah, I made my first one, this one. I just chose out a template for it and I got up to here, select domain. I'm gonna go ahead, hit that. It's going to want my domain. Now this is what I'm asking you guys to be able to do to set yours up. I would like yours to be your first initial, then your last name, and then your homeroom. So pretend I'm in, I'll just try Jacobs. I'm going to hit search. So M Jacobs, Jacobs. You can't put a dot in there, okay? Down here, subdomain, free with Weebly branding. Yep, I don't care. That's fine. I like free stuff. mjacobsjacobs.weebly.com, and I would go ahead and choose that. So like your first initial, last name, your home room, and then it's going to add on the .weebly.com. Okay, so where do you go to make your website? Weebly.com. Okay, Weebly.com. Follow it from there. You have to choose your theme, choose what looks good first, and then go ahead and um, it'll ask you to select your domain, and I'd like it in that form. Thank you very much.